Hi, it's Lorie Brown with EmpoweredNurses.org, and I am speaking with the lovely Dr. Elvira Beracochea. And Dr. Beracochea has a really fascinating business that I want to share with you. It's called Realizing Global Markets. So I wanted Elvira to take a little bit to share with you about her business.
Realizing Global Health is the product of 10 years of looking at how we can really address the main challenges that we have in global health. We have the knowledge, we have the technology to save most of the people that are dying, millions that die every year. And we just need to make sure that we put the systems in place, that there are standards of healthcare, and we treat people with respect. I believe that global health is about really providing quality healthcare to everyone. We cannot provide poor healthcare to poor people. That's not just acceptable. We can't do that anymore. And we have to think of the problems that we have in global health with a new mindset and new understanding that we are really going to provide sustainable solutions. And the solutions, to me, it's about creating self-reliant, sustainable health systems that provide healthcare to everyone, every day, everywhere. And the way to do that is by putting systems in place. For instance, with the Ebola epidemic, that means the failure of the infection control and prevention programs. It's the failure of the health surveillance systems. That's because the countries that are affected did not have the systems in place. The facilities were not prepared to do that, to address an emergency like this. And it can be Ebola, it can be malaria that kills more people every day. So that's why Realizing Global Health is there to help people think about the health problems that we have of global proportions and deliver sustainable solutions. And that's where empowered nurses are so important. We really need to have empowered nurses that take the leadership in really transforming the delivery of healthcare. And I hope that you can join me, Lorie, and go into wonderful places to meet wonderful people that need our support and need our respect.
Wonderful. And so how could our viewers contact you if they would like to be involved with Realizing Global Health?
Write to me at Elvira at realizingglobalhealth.com, and our website is realizingglobalhealth.com. So email me and I'll be happy to think of how together we can work to really address the main challenges and put the systems in place, get the standards going, and treat people with respect.
Wonderful.
Thank
and
you.
I loved what you said before about nurses who do mission work, not just to go for the 2 weeks, but do something that will leave a legacy, like speaking at the nursing schools or speaking to groups of nurses to make that difference.
That's right. I think all nurses are really called to serve, and they have a very amazing calling that goes beyond just understanding nursing care and medical background. What we need is to really have human beings that really make a connection. I know that many nurses want to help through their churches, through their other organizations that they support, but really think how your help is really making a difference in the long term. It's good to go there for 2 weeks, but think how you can really establish relationships that are going to last a lifetime. How you can have ties with the local nursing schools and maybe go there and teach other people. Remember, not just about giving fish, but teaching people how to fish. And I think that's going to make your trip more meaningful, and you're going to see the results of your work in a way that really is effective, demonstrates accountability because you can show results, and it's sustainable. Other people will be able to then continue your work.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
And sharing
Thank
your
you,
knowledge
Lorie.
with the listeners.
Thank you, Lorie. Bye-bye. It's
Bye.
great working with you.
Thank you.